Hi guys, let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 7. It says a goods train leaves the station at 6 p.m. followed by an express train which leaves at 8 p.m. which means it's leaving 2 hours later. Travels 20 kilometer faster than the goods train. Express train arrives at the distance is 1040 kilometer 36 minutes before, which means it leaves 2 hours later but it arrives 36 minutes early, which means the difference of their time is 2 hours and 36 minutes. It left 2 hours later and arrived 36 minutes early. Assuming that the speeds remain constant, calculate their speed. So let's first take the assumption. Let speed of goods train be x kilometer per hour. Perfect. Therefore, speed of express train would be equal to x plus 20 kilometer per hour. Next, distance is given equal to 1040 kilometer. So, time for goods train would be equal to distance upon speed, which is 1040 upon x hour, and time for the express train would be equal to distance upon speed, which is 1040 upon x plus 20 hour. Next, what is given is time of express train is equal to time of goods train minus how much time? 2 hour 36 minutes. 2 hour 36 minutes. Let's just read this once again. Time of express train is less than the goods train by 2 hour 36 minutes. Let's just read the question. Yes, it leaves 2 hours later and it arrives 36 minutes before, which means time of the express train is equal to time of goods train minus 2 hour 36 minutes. That's correct. So let's substitute values. So time of express train is 1040 upon x plus 20 is equal to 1040 upon x minus 2 hour 36 minute would be 2 and 36 upon 60 because we're working on hours. This is 12 into 3, 12 into 5. So this becomes 1040 upon x plus 20 minus 1040 upon x is equal to negative 13 upon 5. Right, that's correct. Okay, so now let's divide everything by 1040 to reduce the big numbers here. This becomes 1 upon x plus 20 minus 1 upon x is equal to negative 13 upon 5 multiplied with 1040. 13 into 1, 13 into 8. Right, that's fine. So this is, let's take LCM, x minus x minus 20 upon x times x plus 20 is equal to negative 1 upon 400. Right, that's fine. X minus 20 upon x times x plus 20, negative 1 upon 400. Let's cross multiply. We have x square plus 20x is equal to x square plus 20x is equal to negative 400 into negative 20. I've taken the negative sign in the denominator, and what we get is number 12. What we get is x square plus 20x. This is 4 into 2, 8,000 plus 8,000, which is, if I take it on the other side, this becomes minus 8,000 is equal to 0. So I need to find factors of negative 8,000, the sum of which should be plus 20. So this is 80 into 100. Yes, that's 80 into 100. That sounds correct. So this is x square minus 80x plus 100x minus 8000 is equal to 0, which means x times x minus 80 plus 100 times x minus 80 is equal to 0, which means x minus 80 times x plus 100 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 80 or x is equal to negative 100. Now speed obviously cannot be negative, which means my answer is x is equal to 80. Let's read the question. Assuming speeds are fine, calculate their speed. So, therefore, speed of ordinary train is equal to 80 kilometer per hour, and speed of the express train is equal to, or this is ordinary, is equal to 80 plus 20, which is 100 kilometer per hour. Right, let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 9. It says a trader bought an article for rupees X. So CP is equal to rupees X and sold it for rupees 52. SP is equal to rupees 52, making a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 52 minus X, rupees 52 minus X. And this is a profit of X minus 10%. So I hope you remember the formula of profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied with 100. So let's substitute values. It says the profit percent is X minus 10. So X minus 10 is equal to profit, which is equal to 52 minus X upon cost price, which is X multiplied with 100. Now we will get a quadratic equation. So this is cross multiply. X square minus 10x is equal to 52 to 100. That's 5200 minus 100x. Let's take everything on one side. So we have x square minus 10x plus 100x minus 5200 is equal to 0. This is x square plus 90x minus 5200 is equal to 0. I need to find factors of negative 5200, the sum of which is 90. So 52 is 13 into 4, right? So 5200 would be 1130 into 90, 130 into 40, my mistake. 5200 would be equal to 113 into 4 with 1 0 each. The difference is 90. Perfect. So x square minus 40x plus 130x minus 5200 is equal to 0. Clubbing it the way I have done underlined, x times x minus 40 plus 130 times x minus 40 is equal to 0. X minus 40 times x plus 130 is equal to 0. X is equal to 40 or x is equal to negative 130. Now since cost price can't be negative, therefore cost price is equal to rupees 40. Done. Let's look at the last question of this exercise that I work with you. The last question is question number 10. It says by selling a chair for rupees 75, which means SP is equal to rupees 75. Mohan gained as much percent as its cost. So cost not given. Let CP is equal to rupees X. Gained, which means profit. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 75 minus X. And we know the formula, profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied with 100. It says as much percentage as its cost. So profit percentage is X is equal to profit, which is 75 minus X divided by X multiplied with 100. Let's cross multiply. What we get is X square is equal to 7500 minus 100x taking everything on one side, x square plus 100x minus 7500 is equal to 0. Now I need to find factors of negative 7500, the sum of which should be 100. So 75 is basically 15 into 5. So if I take it as 7500, add two zeros, add 1 0 on 15, 1 0 on 5. So 150 minus 50 will give me 100. Yes, so I've got my factors at 150 into 50. So that's x square minus 50x plus 150x minus 7500 is equal to 0. Grouping it, I get x times x minus 50 plus 150 times x minus 50 is equal to 0. That's x minus 50 times x plus 150 is equal to 0. X is equal to 50 or x is equal to negative 115. Now obviously cost price cannot be negative, therefore CP is equal to rupees 50. Done. That finishes this exercise for me. Let me mark some homework questions for you. Homework question for you would be question number 6, question number 8. That's about it. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you with the next video. If you have any doubts, feel free to get in touch with me. Bye bye.